Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the book by Rohana Banerjee, The Secret. Yes, in our life we want to achieve all that we dream. Yes, it's true. It's possible to achieve what we want, but we should know the right ways to do things, and that principles are given in the book The Secret. We all work with infinite power, that is the law of attraction. The secret is also the law of attraction. Everything that is coming into our lives are from our thoughts. The law of attraction is that what you think, it's become your reality. Means you also know when you think about any bad things, then you will attract more bad. When you think good, then you will attract more good. The law of attraction is like we know the jinn and Aladdin jinn. When you wish, the jinn will fulfill your wish. It's like that's like the universe is there. What you wish, it will come to you. So it depends on you what you want to achieve in your life and what you want to attract into life. As you as you think about negative, you will attract to negative. As you think about positive, you will attract to more positive things. So the main reason why people are not achieving what they want, because they are thinking about what they don't want. They are thinking about what they don't want rather than they have to think about what they want. Universe is like the your command, your wish, my command. Like jinn, Aladdin's jinn. You wish, I will complete it. The universe is don't know the uh, negations. No, not. What you think, as you think, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, means it will take positively. Yes, I want to do it, I want to do that. It will not understand that any negative word you use. So it depends on you what thoughts you want to think, and you have to control your thoughts. Let's understand how to use the secret. First, ask what you want to achieve. You should ask to the universe. What will you do? You sit down and write on a piece of paper what you want to achieve, and let the universe give you what you want to achieve. Second one, believe. Believe that what you are written, what you want is already yours. Believe, have faith what you want. When you have a belief on that thing, it will come to you. Don't don't think about how, what, anything. Just believe you are getting what you want. Then third, receive. The third step is that you have to understand what you are written, you are receiving that. It's your responsibility to believe and understand what you want is already you have get. Receive. You have to feel like what you want is already you have received and you are enjoying that feeling. That is the good feeling which will give you the next step to achieve more things into your life. That is the receive. Then there are powerful processes. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful process of shifting your energy and bringing more what you want into your life. Be grateful for what you already have, and you will attract more good things. Let's understand gratitude. Let's do that. When you wake up early in the morning, feel proud what you have achieved. Thank to universe what you have achieved so far, and as you are doing that, you will attract more positive things into your life. Third one is visual. Second one is visualization. Visualization is the process of creating picture in your mind of yourself enjoying what you want. When you visualize what you want, then you will you will attract that things into your life. You will you radiate the reality to the universe. And the understand the secret of money. To attract money, focus on wealth and imagine and make believe you have already have the money what you want. Feeling happy is also the fastest way to bring money into your life. The secret of relationship. Treat yourself with love and respect. Then you will attract people who will love you, who will show you love and respect. Focus on the qualities of love about yourself. The law of attraction will show more great things about you. It's all about which person you love. You think what things you should know what is the quality you want from that person. You should give to yourself also. The secret of health. Health is the most important part. When you are good in health, then you will achieve all that things in your life. So if you are feeling somewhat weakness, then don't think much about that. When you are thinking much about that, you are attracting more in your life. You are suffer more for that. So if you are suffering for a small disease or small weakness, then let it go. It will heal itself. We have in our body we have the capacity to heal itself. The secret of world. You cannot help the world by focusing on negative things. As you focus on negative things, you will bring more negative into your life. So instead of focusing on the world's problems, give your attention and energy to trust, love, abundance, education and peace. The secret of you. What is the secret of you? You are the spiritual being. You are energy, and energy cannot be destroyed and cannot be created. It just changes form. The universe emerged from thought. We are the creator not only of our own destiny but also of the universe. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. The secret of life. Be happy now. Feel good now. Do what you love. If you don't know what brings you joy, ask, what is my joy? As you commit to your joy, come to know your joy and do be happy, attract their joy, do what you want in life and you will achieve all these things. Be happy, be cool, attract good things, listen affirmations daily, you will attract good life in your life. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet again.